So in this video we are going to learn responsive layout in a bit more depth. So if you have watched my previous video, in our previous video we have created the most simple responsive layout. We have used a layout builder, okay, and then we have used the constraints to decide whether we want to show the web screen or the mobile screen, okay. So in this video we are going to a practical application of how to get a responsive layout in our app. So in this video, this is a web screen. In the web screen I will be showing the text in a row with a circular avatar. So this is our circular avatar and this is our text, and if I increase the width, the text will get to the size of the text will adapt to the size of the screen, and if the screen size gets smaller, so it will adapt to that, and if the screen changes into a size of mobile, it will just convert it into a mobile screen, okay. So it will turn the layout into a mobile screen. So this is a practical application of how a responsive layout works. So let's get started. So we have made a responsive layout. We have used a layout builder over here, and the next thing we want over here is that we will create two widgets, one for the mobile and one for the web. So we can do one more thing over here is that we can just copy it and return we can remove the same widgets and return a single widget in that case, but let's just leave it as of now, and we will just move to the basic implementation. So in our web we want to use a row, so it will contain children's, so the children will be a circular avatar, okay. So the next thing is width, that is 20. It will be used to separate the text, and then we are using expanded. So the expanded uses all the available space and lets its child to adapt to that space, okay. So we are using this text widget inside an expanded, okay. So that's it for the web. The same is the case for the mobile, except we are using a column, okay. So in the center, in this build method, so we are going to return a responsive layout, okay. We are using the responsive that we have made in our previous video. So we are using the layout builder, and on the results of the layout builder we are deciding whether we want to show the web screen or the mobile screen, okay. So we are providing those two widgets, get widget mobile and get widget web. So the get widget mobile will return a widget that will be made with a column, so it will be used to show the mobile screen, and the get widget web will return a widget with a row. It will be used to show the web screen, the web display. So we have just given the two widgets to this responsive, and the responsive will decide on the basis of the screen, on the basis of the size of the screen, that whether we have to show the mobile screen or the web screen. So this is working fine. We just close it because we don't need it. So this is a basic result of this app, okay. So as the size changes from 600, it just turns it into a mobile screen, okay. So this is a basic implementation, or the practical implementation, of how the responsive layout should work and how we can achieve responsiveness in our apps.